By Mohammed Saqib. Welcome to my YouTube channel Education Hub. We are starting a short course of computer networking also. In this video, we will discuss about data communication and networking. So, what is data communications and networking? Um, Before start a video, so a humble request to you, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon of my channel so that my every video's notification has been sent to carefully, and so you get knowledge from my video. Let's have a start. We read the physical layer. What is physical layer? And after that we discuss about analog and data, digital data. So what is that? And let's go to the start of video. Physical layer. One of the major function of physical layer is to move data in a form of electromagnetic signals across the transmission medium. When we send a message or a data to a receiver, so we use a transmission medium. Nowadays, I give you example: WhatsApps, Facebooks, and many applications we are used to send a data. After that, if so or other, whether you are collecting numerical statics from another computer, sending emulated pictures from a design workstations, or causing a bell to ring at the distance control center, you are working with the transmission of data across network connections. So in this topic, the author will try to understand us that data sent by computer in the form of picture and also numerical statics, each and everything that. Next is generally the data usable to a person or application are not in a form that can be transmitted over a network. For example, a photography must first be changed to a form that transmission media can accept. Transmission media work by conducting energy along a physical path. When I send a data through a transmission medium, so which required to send a data, energy, analog energy, and physical paths. If we send message in a form of physical path, which mean that through a wire, so we need energy also. So next one is sorry next one is analog and digital data. Below analog data's definition and digital data's definitions, but we are now here only read what is analog and digital data. Data can be analog or digital. The term along analog refers to information that is continuous. Digital data refers to information that has discrete statics. For example, an analog clock that has hour, minute, and a second hand give the information in the continuous. For the movement of a hand or a continuous. On the other hand, digital clock that reports the hours and the minutes will change suddenly from 8:05 to 8:06. It means that is send a data in 1 minute. I hope you will be understand my lecture this, in which we read the physical layers, and also that we read in analog and digital data. Now further I read analog data and many others uh, topics. So hope you will be understand my lecture, and we will meet in the next video. so that at this time to meet again. Goodbye.